Let's make the mouse hover effect on a sprite in a scratch. First, let's add a sprite on our stage. Now let's drag the when green flag clicked block. Attach a forever loop on the block, and inside the forever loop, let's put the if else block. Now let's go to the sensing menu and drag the touching decision block and make sure it's on mouse. And now inside the if block, let's place the set size by 100 block, and instead of 100, let's write 120. Now let's try our code. The size of the sprite increases but remains the same even if the mouse is not touching the sprite. Now to reset the size of the sprite, we drag another set size by 100 block and place it inside the else block. Now the size resets once the mouse pointer is outside the sprite. Now let's put another effect, that is set the color effect by 25, and also don't forget to clear the graphics effect if the mouse pointer is not touching the sprite. Now let's try our final code.
Perfect.